Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for December 2nd, 2020. If you look at the chart here, SPY, SP 500 ETF, Spider, as you can see here, yesterday the market put it back up. So you see the yellow line here, it used to be a multi-day resistance. So now they're able to stay above this line. So this line become a support right now. So as you can see here, so the market this morning they tried to slam it down, couldn't do it. The buyer stepped back in and now they try to push it back up. So it seems like we are ready for the market to push it higher. Let's see how far they can go. As you can see here, this is line here, they hold up. So this morning they come back down in smaller time frame and then they hold up and try to push it higher. If you look at the evening SP 500, if you are a member of our expert trading team, every day we raw this chart here. We give our member a heads up where the market is heading to before the Thanksgiving, after Thanksgiving, and where they're heading to. And then this morning market is find a support at the buy zone. Now they try to continue to push it back up, and then they go up and down, and then try to find a way to push it back up for the future. So let's see how far they can go. First of all, they have to go retest the old sell zone here. If they punch through it, the market will continue to have a Christmas rally. Let's see if they'll be able to do that. And if you are in our live expert trading room every morning, we raw the chart for our members so that they know where the market heading to. So when the market open, they slam it down to the buy zone. So the people jump in and buy it right here. And then for the first hour, we will be able to trade from here to the first sell zone here. And then they can be able to gain 19 points for the first hour. So for the E-mini SP 500, that could be $50 per point. That could be $950 for the first 1 hour, and then they're done for the day. If they continue to go up, if continue to trade, the market will continue to push it upside. So this one used to be a sell zone, now we become a buy zone again, and market push it back up to the sell zone final destination for the day. And the market did get to this level, and then people take profit. Okay, so I be able to jump in, and then after the meeting, after the trading room, I push another leg up, and I be able to gain some quick money for myself for day trade. Net profit for day trade $1,175, and then I show some of the quick trade on the stock that moving. So I buy 2,000 share of Riot, and then sold some share from the Discovery, and then the total net profit for this one is 2508. So total net profit for today is $3,683. Okay, so every day I post my trades so that you see that our system to show you how to make money consistently. You don't have to make a lot of money, but if you can be able to make money consistently every day, okay, like I show you with our method, our format, that's the thing that you're supposed to learn and understand how to read the chart by using a modern technical analysis combined with the crowd psychology and the price action so that you can see the market in real time. You don't need to have a lot of fancy indicator or software that will help you to trade. Okay, everything is on the chart. The price on the chart will tell you everything. So you need to learn that method that you can practice and become successful as a trader. All right, so if you would like to learn, please check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. And or if you are not a member, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will let you know. And a lot of stock that as you can see that over on the weekly market forecast, as you can see that a lot of bio stock still continue to put it upside, especially for those stock that handle be able to produce the vaccine for coronavirus, like Pfizer, it still continue to upside. mRNA, this one is yesterday they hit to the sell zone, people took some profit, they pull back right into the support, and then they try to hold up at this level. Let's see tomorrow if they continue to upside, they will bow back up again. And a lot of stock from let me see, semiconductor, it still hold up very well, as you can see here. SMH, okay, it still continue to the upside, leading by a lot of good stuff that I show you the last couple of weeks, like AMD, right? Okay, they all going strong. Okay, KLAC. Okay, those stocks that are leading. They are a little bit extended right now. But if you're already in the trade, all you do is just manage the trade. Until they tell you to take profit, and then you take profit. And a couple of stocks like and the pot stock also try to go up also, as you can see today. A lot of pot stock they try to turn around. Okay, so let's see how far they can go. And oil stock also be able to bounce back today. And the airline and the banking, they also try to push it back up also. Okay, so this is some of the stock that I show you. But in our live trading room, every day we analyze a lot more stock. Okay, that give a lot of tips that for our members, so they know which one to get in, which one to take profit, and they continue to do swing trade to make a more profit potential. Okay, so that's all I have for you today. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.